So this guy Jabber, he's claiming that he or his team has open sourced this operating system for AI agents with 137,000 lines of code in Rust, and it's MIT licensed. Like, that makes it more unique or something. Like, now just reading this line by itself is it's like reading from someone who has never actually understood anything about coding. Like, you shouldn't flex your lines of code, and we love OpenClaw, and it inspired a lot of what we built, but we wanted something that works at the kernel level, so we built Openfang. Why not Fang, like WASM? Anyway, agents run inside WASM sandboxes the same way processes run on Linux, and kills them if they go rogue. Just a bunch of bullshit, to be honest. It has 16 security layers baked into the core. WASM sandboxing, Merkle, hash, chain, audit trails, taint tracking on secrets, signed agent manifests. Like, who writes this kind of things? I think this is AI generated, this whole post, because there's nobody that writes this kind of things like Merkle, hash, chain, audit trails, taint tracking. What the hell does that even mean? And he created something called hands. Right now, every AI agent is a chatbot that waits for you to type. Yeah, because they hallucinate and they start doing dumb shit. That's why they work the way they are working at the moment. Hands are different. You activate one and it runs on a schedule 24/7, no prompting needed. Your lead hand finds and scores prospects every morning and delivers them to your Telegram before you wake up. Your research hand writes sites reports while you sleep. Your collector hand monitors targets and builds knowledge graphs continuously. I mean, everything at this point is just bullshit, because AI starts hallucinating and just writing dumb shit to satisfy whatever you told it to do, especially when it runs in a really long loop without any human intervention. They work for you, you don't babysit them, okay? I wanna check his commits, and someone pointed out that he had only 11 commits for the whole repo with 119,000 lines of code, 137,000 lines of code. And here you can see that he has all the commits in 1 week, and he said in a reply to one contributor 10 commits here, said that he just refreshed the repo because the history has sensitive information during the testing. This guy said, ignore the haters, man, check the community forming around Openfang. And this guy responded again that 16 security layers couldn't keep secrets out of the commit log. And someone also in the replies pointed out the code that he wrote. And man, this is definitely generated by AI. I mean, the replies are roasting him, but yeah, that was also what who's we? One contributor over a few days is not we. This is actually true, because that's what I initially thought about when he wrote we. Yeah, I mean, who's gonna install something like this when it has so much control over the resources and it's locally on your computer? So just installing a virus is probably safer, especially when a vibe coder let's check his profile on GitHub and see if I don't wanna roast him for no reason. We're all gonna start from somewhere, so he might be better than me, to be honest. He has this company or this repository that he works on, and he has GPU stuff, open source agent operating system. I wonder how bad this would be if it's cloud and all its power and resources, and it still makes a lot of mistakes. So this one is probably just a text LLM that chatbot basically. I'm not really into this stuff, so I can't really judge, but he has a lot of stars and he's getting a lot of attention from his code, so I'm not sure if his code is good or bad, but I don't code in Rust or C. Right now, everything you build using AI is gonna give you a lot of attention, and especially if you jump on trends like OpenClaw and AI agents that automate stuff for you. I'm not gonna I think people are being extra mean to him, but maybe because of his rage bait post that he wrote, the way he wrote it, maybe he rage baited a lot of people who are into tech. And you see a lot of AI slow replies here, like this one and this one. I hate this platform so much because it's become only a bunch of rage bait and AI replies and bots all over the place. Like this bot replies, man, it's really boring. It feels like the whole algorithm, how it's working, it only benefits those people